Meaning of DreamWorks SKG.
DreamWorks SKG.
DreamWorks SKG.
DreamWorks SKG.
DreamWorks SKG. DreamWorks SKG is a production company founded by Steven Spielberg, Jeffrey Katzenberg, and David Geffen in 1994. The SKG in the name stands for their initials. DreamWorks is known for producing animated movies such as Shrek, Kung Fu Panda, and How to Train Your Dragon. In addition to animation, DreamWorks has also produced live-action films such as Saving Private Ryan and Catch Me If You Can. DreamWorks was acquired by Comcast in 2016 and is now part of the Universal Filmed Entertainment Group.